So guys, अभी मैंने बहुत कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था और पता चला कि कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं था. Hey guys, so today I'm making gobi ka parathas because today is Saturday and we all love to eat parathas on Saturday and Sunday. So that's why I'm making this. So come, let's see. So what do you guys like to eat on Saturdays and Sundays? Let me know in the comment section below. And today I have to rush because I'm going somewhere today. So I'll take you along with me. And so many of you requested me to do a day in my life vlog. So today is it. So here we go. So today you'll all be there with me this whole day. So guys, the parathas are ready. I'll just finish it quickly and then we'll go to the salon. I'll tell you about it later. Hey guys, so I've got ready. I could not short in between because I got really late. So I'm going to the salon today to try out some hair extensions. As you know, I love to try hair pieces. So I'll take you along with me and then maybe we'll go to some other place because today is Saturday. So let's go there and let's see how it is. Hey guys, sorry for the little noise because I don't have mic. I'm just shooting with my phone. So today I'm going to this salon and I'm going to have an experience of real hair extensions. And you all know that I just love to experiment with hair. But my hair lacks volume. And this I have straightened. Otherwise, it's a very rough texture. So all of you who always say in the video that please do a hair care routine, believe me, my hair is really frizzy, and so I have to straighten it always whenever I go out. I don't do it always, but for videos and all and for parties I always straighten my hair. And so let's see today how this experience goes. I love hair extensions because you can do a lot of things with that, but till now I have synthetic hair extensions with which you cannot style your hair. You cannot apply any straightener to it, otherwise I think it will burn. So this hair extensions which I'm going to try today are I guess human hair extensions, real one. So I can curl them, I can straighten them, so I am really excited to see how it will look. Also the look that I'm having today is I'm wearing this top, this very beautiful lace top. This is kind of a pale peach color and I love this kind of color. And this is from this website called Rose Girl, and I'm wearing these hoops from Forever 21. Lipstick I have again mixed because I love to mix lipstick. So again I have mixed Jeffree Star lipstick in Prom Night and Kat Von D Lolita 2 lipstick. And Avi, please say hi to my viewers. Hi. So yeah, you all request me to do a husband tag, so I'm just requesting Avi to do it from a long time. So let's see if he does it or not with me because he's a little shy to come in front of camera, but I will try for all of you guys. Hey guys, so we have reached a destination, so let's go there. Session and I really liked a lot of hair pieces because I love extensions, and I selected 2 of them, so I'll show in the video how I will style them. Also there's a very exciting news for all of you which I will tell you in that video. I'm sure you all be very happy. And next me and Avi are going to Sundar Nursery. It is recently opened near Humayun Tomb, and Avi is saying that there are a lot of beautiful flowers, lot of flowers there. So let's see, let's go there. Hey guys, so Sundar Nursery is closed. We have heard it will open in about half an hour. So till then we are roaming here in Humayun Tomb, and Mr. Hubby is just preparing for his camera, and we all love to visit the heritage places in Delhi. Me and Avi just love to explore such places. So let's see how it is. Guys, it's really beautiful. The building is so beautiful. I really loved it. I love to see such old buildings. It has some, old world charm, which I absolutely love. So guys, now it's time and we'll go to Sundar Nursery. So guys, I found a really good wall and that's why I didn't want to lose the opportunity of shoot. So I did a good photo shoot there. You know, the life of a YouTuber, always in trial of finding good backgrounds. Guys, this is the Sundar Nursery which Avi was talking about. So let's see what's inside. So we got this. ये क्या है अभी? ये जो हमें मिला है? अच्छा, ब्रोशर है. ये हमें ब्रोशर मिला है अभी. इसमें सारा इंफॉर्मेशन है नर्सरी का. So it's a beautiful green place and I absolutely love such kind of place. So guys, अभी मैंने बहुत कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर लिया था और पता चला कि कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं था. So I was recording that. This is such a soothing place, such a green place to sit and relax. Sometimes in a busy life like a metro's busy life, we forget to sit and relax like this. So I really like such places and I think Delhi has some amazing places like this. And I also like, me and my husband love IHC, which is the India Habitat Center. It's really a very unique place. If you visit Delhi, you should really go there. And then we have Delhi Haat. So we have really amazing green places in Delhi along with all the modern kind of things. So I really like Delhi. Only one problem is the extra polluted environment. I hope it was not that polluted. There is also kind of a small lake in between. So guys, we are going back now. So this was all about the short vlog and we just like to go to new places on Saturdays and Sundays because that is when we get time. It's like really hot right now. So guys, we are now going back and भाई इतनी गर्मी है अभी. कितनी गर्मी है ना, इतनी गर्मी है दिल्ली में. Oh God, अभी से February, March से इतनी गर्मी हो गई है guys. I don't know what will happen in the April. Oh God, I have to do so many fashion shoots and looking at the heat today, I'm not sure if coming days will be suitable for fashion shoots. Oh God, I have to do so many videos. So guys, this is all about today's video on a day in my life vlog. I really don't know how to do such videos, but I did try my best. So if you found it boring, then I'm really sorry, but if you liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share my video guys with your friends, family. Let's grow this Perky Makes family to 200k, 300k and many more. So on this note, this was all about today's video. Meet you next on a very interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.